Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. So in today's video, we're going to discuss how to add timer to your Google form. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we have an assessment or question opened in Google Forms. So we are going to select the three dots and get add-ons. So from this Google Workspace Marketplace, we are going to search up timer. So you will get the app to actually select the timer for the question on the forms, on the Google form, and then you have to sign in to your Google account to get this app. So basically it is going to link your Google account to that app and link that app to your Google form particularly. So now what we are going to do is click on add-on and then click on the timer and then select configure. We are going to turn this on and then we are going to select on publish. So now it will give us the settings and configurations to actually add time limit to your Google form. So if you click on fix settings, and then we are going to change the time limits. So suppose I'm going to change the time limit to 10 minutes, and then you can also turn off the auto submit after the time ends and select save. So now you can just preview your form. So while you're previewing, you can see that your timer is popping up over your Google form. So we are going to get started, and you can see right here your timer is popping up right over your Google form. So that's how you actually create timed responses on Google Forms, just like that. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be glad to help you guys. If you want to see more of us on your newsfeed, then you can subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.